I'm going to spend some time talking about partition here. Partition is one of the more common things that comes up in real estate in Florida, particularly in the context of probate. Partition is simply when two or more people own a piece of property together and they don't want to own the property together anymore. Now, the easy way to do that is they all agree to sell it. But unfortunately, a lot of times, and this is why it comes up in probate, mom and dad die, property goes to brothers, sisters, and they can't agree on things. And I say the same thing every time when somebody calls in with partition. How much is it going to cost? Depends on how crazy, how stubborn, how stupid the people involved in partition are going to be. Because the smartest thing for everyone and the way to avoid lawyer fees and frustration is to find yourselves a good realtor, put a sign out there, determine what the property's worth, and then if we want to fight later over how to split up the property proceeds, that's fine. But don't get a lawyer involved at the front end. Put a sign in the yard and get it for sale. Now, sometimes that doesn't work. Sometimes one person wants to buy it out from another one, and that's fine. That's the other good way to do this. If you all own a property together, somebody wants to buy it, come up with the money, make offers to the relatives or whoever else is on title. And quite frankly, in the vast majority of circumstances, unless people are completely unreasonable, the deal that you could cut together at the front end is going to be better than when you get lawyers involved. A bunch of lawyers' fees, a bunch of expenses, and things just drag on forever. So that's the golden rule in partition. Get it sold ahead of time. Don't fight amongst yourselves. Unfortunately, the reality is many times that doesn't work. That's why I got more partitions going right now than at any time in my career. But partition is simply a lawsuit. One property owner sues the other ones and say, I don't want to own this anymore. I'll talk later in other posts about the harsh consequences of that, the fees involved, and frankly, the stupidity of it. But that's what partition is, and that's what litigation is all about.